Manual treadmills are self-powered, offering higher calorie burn and a more natural gait than motorized versions. They come in two types: curved, ideal for serious runners, and flat, great for walkers on a budget. Top brands include Assault Runner, Trueform, Woodway, and Sunny Health, plus innovative picks like the REP Strive with added resistance features. Starting at number 1. Exerpeutic 100XL Magnetic Manual Treadmill. The Exerpeutic 100XL is a heavy-duty manual treadmill built for stable, comfortable walking, with a tested user capacity of 325 pounds and twin 6-inch flywheels that deliver noticeably smoother and more consistent motion than standard single flywheel models. Its wider, longer walking deck rivals that of electric treadmills for ample stride space, while extra-long safety handles, more than twice the length of typical handles, provide enhanced security and balance prevention during workouts. The treadmill also features magnetic resistance, adjustable incline, a clear LCD display, and built-in heart pulse sensors to help you track your target heart rate, all in a foldable, space-saving design that makes it an ideal choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT1407M is a compact, non-electric manual walking treadmill designed for eco-friendly, low-maintenance workouts in apartments, home offices, or gyms. Operating entirely on your walking motion with no plugs or power needed, this self-powered treadmill saves energy and money while delivering a reliable, no-fuss exercise experience. Its 42-inch by 13-inch non-slip running belt and fixed incline provide natural resistance that engages glutes, hamstrings, and calves more effectively than flat surfaces, while the lightweight foldable design collapses to just 20 inches long for ultra-easy storage in tight spaces. Built-in transport wheels allow effortless rolling into closets or under beds, and the soft foam hand grips pair with an easy-to-read LCD monitor, tracking time, distance, speed, and calories, keep you motivated and informed throughout every walking session. Number 3. ProGear 190 Manual Treadmill. The ProGear 190 Manual Treadmill is a sturdy, walk-focused machine built with a durable powder-coated steel frame and a user capacity of 230 pounds, making it a reliable choice for home walking workouts. Its twin flywheel system and oversized belt rollers work together to deliver an exceptionally smooth and consistent walking motion, while the quick 2-position incline adjustments, 6 and 10 degrees, let you easily vary intensity to engage more muscle groups. Longer foam grip handles and wide side rails provide added security and balance support during each session, and the compact 47-inch design ensures it fits comfortably in most spaces without sacrificing stability or performance. Number 4. Fitness Reality TR1000 Manual Treadmill. The Fitness Reality TR1000 Manual Treadmill is a sturdy, walk-focused machine built with a durable powder-coated steel frame and a user capacity of 230 pounds, making it a dependable choice for home walking workouts. Its twin cast-iron flywheels and oversized belt rollers deliver a remarkably smooth, quiet walking experience, while the quick 2-position incline adjustments, 6 and 10 degrees, let you easily vary intensity to engage more muscle groups. The 43-inch by 13.25-inch walking belt provides ample stride space, and the LCD display tracks elapsed time, distance, calories burned, speed, and scan mode to keep you informed and motivated. Long foam grip handles and wide side rails ensure walking security and balance support, while the foldable design, collapsing to just 21 inches long, along with built-in transport wheels makes storage and moving effortless, ideal for apartments or compact home gyms. Number 5. Walking Pad Treadmill. The Best God Incline Under Desk Treadmill is a compact, electric walking pad designed for home or office use, featuring a slim 4.9-inch profile that easily slides under sofas, beds, or desks for effortless storage. Despite its lightweight 30-pound build, it supports a heavy-duty 330-pound capacity, with a 2.5 HP quiet brushless motor that delivers speeds from 0.6 to 3.2 miles per hour while operating under 40 dB, perfect for working, watching TV, or exercising without disturbing others. The 32.87-inch by 15.75-inch walking belt offers ample room for comfortable strides, while rubber shock-absorbing feet and a 6-in-1 anti-slip surface reduce joint impact and ensure safe, stable movement. Real-time tracking displays calories, speed, time, distance, and steps on the console, and the included remote control adds convenience, making this portable treadmill an ideal space-saving fitness solution for any small living or work environment.